update you on what's going on, but I've been on no gas all day. So I'm gonna go to the nearest gas station and then I'll update you on what's going on. Well, while that's filling up, I'll give you the update. I just shot a listing in Tigard. It was the first kind of listing in a while, and it's a small home. It was seller occupied, and it was very difficult to get an exterior shot because it's just going to be nonstop raining all week. But the good news is I made it to the gas station. This is the vlog today. You get to watch me do a shoot and then fill up my car with gas. That's my setup for the rest of the night. Sorry for the boring vlog, but thanks for watching regardless, and I'll see you for another workday tomorrow. Going up to Washington again. A lot of Washington in this year's Vlogmas. Bye.